That the signing of phase one of the trade deal between the U.S. and China could come within the week. Kayla Tausche has the latest from Washington. Kayla, what are you learning?
Contessa, the Trump administration has suggested since the deal was agreed 2 weeks ago that a signing was under discussion for early January, with the country's ministers, not their leaders, signing off. Today, the South China Morning Post, citing a single source, says that Vice Premier Liu He may visit Washington this week to sign the deal. But here's what I'm learning. Two sources briefed on the talk say the White House would prefer to hold the signing when Congress is back in session to provide a contrast to the impeachment standoff on Capitol Hill. The House of Representatives returns January 7th, and then there are 2 weeks before the Economic Forum in Davos and the Chinese New Year. In the meantime, China's ambassador to the U.S. says it's honoring the commitments it made in the deal already. The Agriculture Ministry approving permits to import genetically modified crops, including 2 from Corteva Agriscience. That stock up 12% in the last month. President Xi Jinping gives a speech tomorrow to commemorate the end of the year, and perhaps, Bill, will get a little bit more detail then.
Kayla, can I just jump in here? Is there any reaction to the fact that it might be the vice premier who comes rather than the president himself?
Well, the administration, Contessa, has been trying to manage the expectations of this for several weeks at this point. Ambassador Bob Lighthizer said on the record on December 13th that you shouldn't expect the leaders of the countries to sign this deal, that it would be the ministers. I think people were a little surprised to hear President Trump then last Tuesday say that maybe he and President Xi could be the ones signing this. China is yet to confirm that possibility, and we have not heard anything more from the White House, the U.S. Trade Representative, or Treasury on that front either. So we are left to expect still that it will be the ministers. Okay. But as far as surprises, I'm not surprised by that.
All right. Kayla, thank you.